If Housecall Pro stops working, the problem is usually one of four things: server outages, app cache issues, internet sync errors, or failed account permissions. By the end of this, you'll know how to figure out which one it is and fix it fast. Start with the simplest check. Open Housecall Pro on both desktop and mobile. If neither loads, the issue is probably on their side. That means a platform outage or server maintenance. If desktop works but mobile doesn't, you're dealing with an app problem, not a system-wide problem. That tells you where to focus. If it's the mobile app, force close it first. On iPhone or Android, swipe it closed completely, reopen it, and test again. If it still freezes or won't load jobs, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Housecall Pro, Storage, then Clear Cache. On iPhone, you usually have to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear stored app data. That fixes corrupted local files. Next, check your internet connection. Housecall Pro relies on live syncing for schedules, invoices, and dispatch updates. Weak Wi-Fi or unstable mobile data can make jobs disappear or payments fail to load. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and refresh the app. If invoices or customer info are missing, it's usually a sync delay. Pull down to refresh manually. If that doesn't work, log out and back in. That forces a fresh sync with Housecall Pro's servers. Now, check user permissions. A lot of not working complaints are actually access restrictions. If a technician can't view jobs, edit invoices, or mark work complete, the account role may not have permission. Go into Team settings and verify their access level. Another common issue is outdated app versions. Go to the App Store or Google Play and update Housecall Pro. Older versions can break after back-end updates. If payments aren't processing, check whether your payment processor connection is still active. A disconnected bank account or expired verification can stop transactions completely. If none of this works, contact Housecall Pro support and send screenshots. That speeds up troubleshooting because they can see the exact error. So here's the fast checklist. Test desktop and mobile. Restart the app, clear cache, switch internet, refresh sync, check permissions, and update the app. Your next step is to start with the device test. That tells you in under 1 minute if the problem is local or system-wide. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Housecall Pro fixes and field service software guides.